Hi friends, today I am going to unbox Morphe Richard 52 liters RCSS OTG. I bought it from Flipkart during the Big Billion sale for just rupees 8000. Actually, this is an upgrade to our kitchen. My wife recently started to sell homemade cakes, so we thought it will be good to have a bigger oven. Previously, she was using the IFB microwave convection oven, and we thought for baking purpose an OTG is the best. These are some accessories. Let me open it. It is used to take the hot grilled chicken from the oven. These are used to take the hot baking tray. This is the wire grill. Some other accessories are attached to it, and this is two discs which are used for making the kebabs and tikkas. These small rods are also used with this disc. They will attach together while making the kebabs. And the bigger rod, the rotisserie rod, is used for making the grilled chicken. This is a baking tray. We can use this for making pizzas and cakes. And this crumb tray we used to place inside the oven at the bottom to collect the crumbs. This is the user manual in Hindi and English, and this is 2-year warranty card with terms and conditions. Look at the length of the power cable. It is of just 1 meter. The mirror door gives a premium feel, right? The timer knob, function knob, and the temperature knob. Before first use, we have to clean inside with a moistened cloth and again with a dry cloth. Then set the temperature to maximum, that is 230. Then switch the mode to toast convection mode and set timer to 10 minutes. See, now the light is on. In a few minutes we can feel a slight smell. Sometimes a strange whistle sound also comes. This is how the handles are used. I feel the oven gloves are better than this. Now I am just showing how to place the rotis or rods in our oven and how it can be taken out. Definitely I will add a functional demo very soon. Please wait for another video. Now we are preheating our oven for the first bake. As a trial, now we are making a pizza. The base is ready. Look at the pizza, it's clearly visible, right? Thanks for watching my video. Very soon I will share a detailed functional demo. Okay, bye. See you next time.